Hello students, we are doing worksheet number 3 of unit 11, that is perimeter, and we have already discussed the three questions, that is A, B and C part. Now today we will discuss the remaining parts of this worksheet. So D part is a boy runs around a rectangular field. Boy runs around a rectangular field. That means the shape of the field is given, rectangular in shape, rectangle. The length of which is given 35 meters. Length is 35 meters and the breadth is 20 meters. Breadth is 20 meters. Now how much distance will he run? So a boy runs around a rectangular field. अब ये दौड़ा था इस फील्ड के चारों ओर. तो कितना डिस्टेंस ये दौड़ा, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो जब ये इसके चारों ओर दौड़ा है, दैट मीन्स यहां से स्टार्ट किया, कहीं से भी स्टार्ट किया उसने. ही स्टार्ट रनिंग लाइक दिस दिस एंड दिस. वापस यहां पर पहुंच गया रन करके. दैट मीन्स उसने कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया होगा. इट इज इक्वल टू द पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल, राइट. पेरीमीटर इज द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द बाउंड्री. सो उतना ही उसने रन किया. So the boy runs a distance is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle. So apply the formula and find out the distance. Let us do the question. This is solution number D. So length of the rectangular field. So you know that we always write what is given first. So here it is, length is given, that is 35 meters, and breadth of rectangular field is given, that is 20 meters. Now you have to find out the distance he run. So distance he runs is equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. So that is 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. That is 2 multiplied by length 35 plus meter plus 2 multiplied by 20 meter. Solve it. 35 to the 70 meter plus 22 the 40 meter. That is equal to, add them, 110 meter. Right? So the boy will run 110 meters, right? So question is asked that how much distance will he run. So he will run 110 meter. Next one, E part. Sheila wants to fix ribbon along the border of a painting. अब पेंटिंग है, पेंटिंग के साइड में उसने बॉर्डर में रिबन फिक्स करना है. If the length and the breadth of the painting is 36 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively, how much ribbon is required by Sheila? Again, the question is of same type. Here the length and breadth is given. That means the shape of the painting is rectangle, right? क्यों है rectangle? Because length and breadth are different. और length and breadth different है तो rectangle है. Length and breadth is given. So 36 centimeter and 15 centimeter, right? This is the length and breadth. And Sheila wants to fix ribbon along the border. अब border कहाँ है? ये पूरा उसका border है साइड में, right? This is the border of the painting. And उसने ये पूरे बॉर्डर पे क्या लगाना है? रिबन लगाना है. एंड कितना रिबन उसका यूज होगा? दैट मीन्स रिबन कितनी लेंथ रिबन की उसकी रिक्वायर्ड है. हाउ मच रिबन इज रिक्वायर्ड बाय शीला. सो कितना चाहिए उसको. द लेंथ ऑफ रिबन इज इक्वल टू द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल अगेन हेयर. राइट. जितना उसका रिबन यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेगी लगाना, यहाँ तक लगाएगी, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ तक लगाएगी, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, फिर वापस यहाँ से यहाँ तक, तो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा उसका बॉर्डर. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल के इक्वल उसने रिबन लगाना है. सो अगेन दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑफ सेम टाइप. सॉल्यूशन नंबर E. Again, length of the painting. So you know length is given. Length of the painting is given, that is 36 centimeter, and breadth of the painting is given, that is 15 centimeter, and you have to find out the ribbon required by Sheila. So length of ribbon required, you can write like this, or ribbon required by Sheila, that you can write. So ribbon required is equal to, that is 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth, that is 2 multiplied by 36 centimeter plus 2 multiplied by 15 centimeter. Why we are using this formula? Because the length of the ribbon required is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle. So solve it. 2 multiplied by 36, you can multiply the rough side, that is 72 centimeter plus 15 to the, you all know the formula of table of 15 to the 30 centimeter. Add them, that is 102 centimeter. So Sheila required 102 centimeter of ribbon. So Sheila required 102 centimeter of ribbon. राइट. शीला को कितना चाहिए. 102 सेंटीमीटर रिबन चाहिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, राजू हैज टू फ्रेम अ स्क्वायर फोटो. नाउ be careful about the shape. What is the shape of the photo? That is square. So carefully read the question. Raju has to frame a square photo having one side of the length is 12 centimeters. So what is the shape of the photo? That is square. So you know that all the sides of the square are equal. Length of all the sides of a square are equal. So here one side is given 12 centimeter. So that means all its sides are of 12 centimeter, right? So how much material will Raju require for this job? So Raju has to frame a square photo. Frame कहाँ लगती है? You all know frame हमेशा साइड में ही लगती है. So frame साइड में लगेगी तो यहाँ पर लगेगी, यहाँ यहाँ यहाँ, right? So frame हमारी कहाँ लगेगी? बॉर्डर पे लगेगी, उसकी बाउंड्री में लगेगी. So राजू को कितना मटेरियल चाहिए उसके फ्रेम लगाने के लिए? So again the material required or the length of the frame is equal to the perimeter of a square. Square का perimeter के equal है. Why square के? Because shape of the photo is square. So the material required by Raju is equal to the perimeter of the square. So you know what is the formula to find the square perimeter of a square? That is 4 multiplied by side. So find out the length or material required. Solution number F. So what is given? Side of length of one side of square photo frame. Length of one side of square photo, that is given 12 centimeter, right? And the question is, how much material will Raju required for this job? So material required is equal to, material required is equal to the perimeter of square, that is 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied by side is equal to 4 multiplied by 12 centimeter. So the table of 12 4s are 48 centimeter. So Raju require 48 centimeter material, right? So that is the length of the frame that Raju requires. The next question is, a boy runs 2 times. Boy runs 2 times around a field. The length of which is given and breadth is given. Find the distance covered by him. This is a question of same type जैसा हमने D part किया था. इसमें एक छोटा सा डिफरेंस है. And what is that? कि यहाँ पर जो बॉय ने रन किया था वो 1 टाइम रन किया था. फील्ड के चारों ओर कितना किया था? 1 टाइम. Here boy runs 2 times. Boy runs 2 times. So this is very important. यहाँ पर आपने ध्यान देना है कि कितने बार ये इसने फील्ड का चक्कर लगाया है. So again the shape of the field is rectangle. So rectangular shape की है फील्ड, because length and breadth is given. So length and breadth different है तो आपकी फील्ड कैसी होगी? रेक्टेंगल. So rectangular shape है आपकी फील्ड की, and you have to find out the distance covered by him. Distance cover की है. So 1 राउंड में वो 1 पेरीमीटर के बराबर दौड़ेगा, राइट? पूरा 1 पेरीमीटर यहाँ से यहाँ तक घूम के. So that means 1 equal to 1 पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. अगेन सेकेंड टाइम 2 टाइम्स दौड़ रहा है तो दोबारा से दौड़ेगा वो यहाँ से, तो उसके बाद 2 टाइम्स पेरीमीटर. So that means you have to find out the perimeter 2 times, or you can say that you have to multiply the perimeter by 2 to find out the distance covered by the boy. So we will try to do this question yourself. We will discuss it in our next video, and also complete this worksheet and start the print. Thank you.